When you see the brake servo restricted warning in your Audi, in 99% of cases it means that the brake servo pressure sensor requires replacement. Now, unfortunately, these sensors seem to be faulty starting with about 2018 and up to 2021 model year, but I've seen these issues in fresh vehicles too. Also, you may see the start-stop restricted warning as one of the accompanying problems. Just ignore it, since it will be fixed once you solve the issue with the brake servo system. So even though the warning may tell you that you can continue driving, you shouldn't drive more than several miles with this message on the dash. If you keep driving with these pressure sensor glitching, there is a very high chance you will need to replace the ABS module, and this is not cheap to say the least. The brake servo pressure sensor itself is about 100 euros depending on the model of your Audi, and you can replace it on your own for like 10 minutes since it's a simple plug and play part, or pay another 30-40 euros in a good garage for this. The location of this pressure sensor may be slightly different for various models. In the A4, for example, it's located right near the master cylinder. It's attached to the vacuum tube of the brake booster. If you decide to repair it on your own, make sure you buy the OEM sensor. Even OEM sensors aren't that durable, but if you buy a cheap aftermarket part, it would fail after several days, causing extra stress to the expensive ABS module.